much joy. She reached right out, then stopped to say, do I really need this today? A lunchbox helps for school each day, but rocket shoes can wait to play. Need or want, now E knows. Think before her money goes. Need or want, stop and think. Where should all our money go? Save a little, spend with care. Think before you buy it there. E, Mo, and me know the way. Know the way. Smart little choices every day. Need or want, stop and think. Mo showed E a clever plan, a little budget if he can. Some to save, some to spend, some to think about again. He said, if the fun jar's low, let's wait a while, it helps us grow. Need or want, they smile and see. Good money choices start with me. E bought a snack, she wrote it down. Mo bought stickers, wrote them down. Me spent coins on lemonade, he wrote it down that very day. Little spends can sneak away, track them all each single day. Write it down, write it down. Need or want, stop and think. Where should all our money go? Save a little, spend with care. Think before you buy it there. E, Mo, and me know the way. Know the way. Growing smarter every day. Save, spend, think, hooray! That's the EMoMee money way.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EMoMee and keep building your life skills one step at a time.